Hey guys, this is Mrs. Rush, and this will be the last part of the notes, part 3. We have 3 examples left of turning fractions into percents. We were on number 2, 3/50ths. Remember, step 1, you have to turn 3/50ths into a new fraction with 100 on the bottom. So I would copy down exactly what I have here. 3 over 50 equals blank over 100. Then we have to figure out what you would multiply by. And this is normally where you would use your chart. Unfortunately, there's no 50 on our multiplication chart, so this is just a good one to know. 50 times 2 is 100. Okay, so then we have to do 3 times 2 on top, which is 6. So then I take the number on top and put it with a percent sign, and my answer is 6%. All right, great. So 3/50ths is 6%. All right, 2 left. I'm going to turn 11/20ths into a percent. So first, I'm going to make 11/20ths into a new fraction with 100 on the bottom. Okay, then I have to figure out what I'm going to multiply by. This is when I could use my chart and say I would go down the 20 row until I reach 100. And it's actually going to be times 5. So I also have to do times 5 on the top. 20 times 5 is 100. 11 times 5 is 55. So I take the 55 and put it with a percent sign. There's my answer. 11/20ths is 55%. All right, the last one's probably the hardest, but we'll break it down. What you have to do first is, see how it's a mixed number? It's 1 and 2/5. You have to make it improper first with the times and the plus. So that means what you have to do first is, remember, you multiply the bottom of the fraction, which is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Then you add the numerator, the 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. And you put it all back over the 5. So 1 and 2/5 turns into the improper fraction 7/5. Okay. Oh, sorry about that. Screen's kinda moving around silly. So now I can turn 7/5 into a percent. So first I make 7/5 into a new fraction with 100 on the bottom. And I have to figure out, what do I multiply by to get from 5 to 100? And it's going to be 20. So I have to do times 20 on top, times 20 on the bottom. 7 times 20 is actually going to be a bigger number, 140, and that's okay. So then I take 140 and put it with a percent sign. And that's my last problem. All right, guys, so these were the 3 parts of the percents and fractions notes. Make sure to complete it all, and now you'll work on the percents and fractions practice, and there's no homework tonight. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.